Look at the rain. It's pouring. I love it. It was thundering earlier and I tried to get it on video, but for some reason I hit record, but it didn't record. I don't know what happened. But look at it downpour. Listen to that. That mud puddle is huge, and it wasn't there about 5 minutes ago because I was out there getting my mail. In my flip-flops. Check it out. The whole entire driveway is a big puddle. Look how fast that rain is coming down. Leaves are falling off the trees. And after it stops raining, I'll show you. We have a tree across the street that is literally changing colors already. Like literally fall is almost here. We're gonna have foliage really early this year again, like we did last year. The weather is so weird. Look at the water running down my lawn. Now, it was nice and dry out there a little bit ago because I went out, like I said, and got my mail. The mail pulled up and took out 4 packages, and we were standing behind my car so he could scan them. I told him to just sit them on the car. And now you can't even stand in there because it's all a big puddle. I live on a big hill, so it's all running downhill. Can't really tell, but the hill is there, and yeah, I'm at the top of it. Look at that rain. So soothing though. Anyway, I just wanted to share with you all. I wish I could have got it before, because like I said, I hit the record, but it didn't record. I don't know why. Because I wanted to show you, because it was completely dry, and now it's this. I don't mind it though. I don't have to shovel this stuff. Look at that. Crazy. My lawn is like soaked. And you can hear my dog behind me. She's panting because she's scared of these. Breaks my heart. I don't know what to do for her. Wow, it's even drenched over there. Crazy. Anyway, I hope everyone has an amazing day.